Hello, my Asian friends living in Asia or else any other part of the world. I am your Asian friend living, residing, and thriving in South Asia. Asians in media, news, or else any of the political debate, whenever the term Middle East comes up, I'm damn sure these countries come into your mind and the people wearing like this appears in your brain, right? But I can bet on this fact that there are so many of y'all Asians who cannot, even in their wildest dream, fathom the fact that the countries which we label as Middle East or else the region we label as Middle East is actually West or else Western Asia. Yes, my Asian friend, you heard it right. This is such a shame that even in this day and age, there are so many of us Asians who still do not know this fact. Why do we use this term Middle East instead of calling it Western Asia as it should be called because it is West Asia? The term actually got originated or created in the pre-independence India by the Britishers in the British India Office in the year 1850s. And then it was again picked up by Alfred Thayer and was popularized so much so that in the much later stage, it was again picked up by the European or else the Western media so that they can report about the regions. And they thought that let's club and label the regions of two continents and one country together, which was Northern Africa, Western Asia, and Egypt together. Of course, they had to do this. Westerners doing all these things, older Westerners especially doing all these things because they were ignorant, lazy, and not hardworking enough to label the regions correctly the way it should have been. They had to originate this term, which actually suits their idea about the geography of the regions. They had to do this because, of course, older Westerners were the way they were. And why did they do this? My thinking is simply because it's not their region, so labeling it correctly and giving it the correct recognition as per the geography of that region is not their concern also. Call it Westerners' ignorance or a strategic move. This term Middle East actually created a lot of disassociation in the minds of the Asians of other Asian regions. Huh. Actually, in our Asian minds, we actually think about the region Middle East as being some random landmass floating across the earth instead of labeling or and recognizing it as Western Asia, which is our continent, Asian continent's part. Uh, Even in this day and age, there are so many of us Asians who still cannot convince our Asian minds to label the region Middle East and give its labeling, recognition, marking as Western Asia, which is actually geographically, existential wise, a better term from the Asian perspective. The negative impacts of us Asians of other regions dissociating with the Middle East region is that we as Asians remained willfully remained ignorant about the region in our mind, thinking that is it Asia? Nah, that's not Asia. Why should I care? Another war on Middle East, not my region, not my problem. Whereas as Asian, we should have given them the recognition. We should have included them and recognized them as the fellow Asians, specifically Western Asians, and we should have actually included them as Western Asians or Asians in our collective Asian pride. The Western media has shown it time and time that they love to distort the message simply when it's not theirs. We do have the evidences for it, not just in past, but in recent years also. But the sad part about this situation is that as Asians, we actually allowed them to exploit our ignorance about our fellow Western Asians. That's the saddest part about the situations which actually happened in the Middle East. And have you ever thought about the situation like this, that all those wars which were waged by the Westerners on the Middle East region were actually the wars waged by Westerners on the Asia, more specifically the Western Asia. But of course, as fellow Asians, we didn't give a damn about the region or the people of that region because in our mind we were either brainwashed or else we actually believe that the region or else the countries in that region are not Asians. Beating ourselves up or our ancestors for the mistakes made in past is actually not the solution. So the best way to resolve this is that right now as Asians start associating or else acknowledging the region as being the West Asia instead of just acknowledging it being Middle East. Stop dissociating your Asian minds with the landmass and stop believing into this delusion that the Middle Eastern region is actually some random landmass floating across the earth or else part of some random other continent, and start associating in your minds the region with it being the western part of Asia. Start finding and meeting with the people who are actually from the region Middle East and share this fact with them too. I'm sure in the start they will not accept this fact, they will disagree with this identity, because in their mind it will be a new random identity being given to them suddenly for some reason. Because just like us as Asians, they too were brainwashed into thinking that they are some certain specific separate region instead of them also being the Western Asians. And that is why you have to be patient and consistent with them for the time to come, that one day they will start accepting in their identity as being not just the Middle Easterners but also the Western Asians. And with much more persistent efforts by the other Asians of other regions, the time will also come when they will accept the truth and the fact that they were actually Western Asians. So, yeah, keep on making that hard work and stop seeing both positive and negative events happening in the Middle East as those events happening isolated in some random landmass, and start associating those negative or else the positive events happening in the Middle East as events happening in Asia, specifically the western part of Asia. Start fact checking or fact adding those people who love to slap the label of Middle East on the region instead of also accepting it being the Western Asia also, specifically if that person is from other continent, more specifically Western continent, Western region, or else much more specifically if they are especially from the Western media. Start telling them that okay, you want to call it Middle East from your geographical point of view, but it is actually also Western Asia. So start labeling them collectively and correctly. Let them know. Start having more of a culture exchange with the people who are right now residing in the Middle East as Western Asian. Till now, we as Asians of other regions did associate with the people of the Middle East, but we saw them as someone random, but we never ever till now saw them or did the culture exchange with them as fellow Asians, specifically our Western Asians. So do the culture exchange yet again, all over again, as Asians, and seeing them as Asians equally as you are. Reassociate yourself with Middle Eastern countries and the people as Western Asians. I'm damn sure there will be a time in the future that the region will get the deserved respect as it being the Western Asia, and we will collectively have a great pride in being the holistic Asian continent. So, my fellow Asians, after this long jibber jabber about the fact and little bit of leg pulling of Western media, I would like to share one message which I wrote as an Asian for you. Let me just read it out from my notes. I'm damn sure this message will speak to your soul as an Asian. The moment we would start practicing said suggestions, the day will come when the truth will be accepted and known, not just by the ignorant Asians, but by the entire world. Remember, chaos in the Middle East is actually a chaos in Asia, more specifically the Western Asia. For our entire continent to prosper, as we Asians of all regions need to be hyper aware and united amongst ourselves to make continent Asia best continent to live in. That can only happen when we collectively try to resolve the existing conflicts, unite, and not let others create new conflicts by using our Asian ignorance against us. Okay? Bye.